Technology matters most when it is in the service of a compelling mission. Today, unlike any point of time in history, efforts for more sustainable and safe food systems are building across the world. Our future of food bets a lot on digitizing and bringing efficiencies across the food value chain. Efforts and innovations in pre-harvest and post-harvest have grown manifold. As efforts increase exponentially, a most basic fundamental question remains. What about digitizing the food itself? Assessing food has been the hallmark necessity of every financial transaction that takes place at any buyer-seller intersection. However, every year, as billions and trillions of food moves through its entire value chain, both buyers and sellers lose significant profits due to the assessment of the financial transaction either being extremely subjective or delayed. 5 months of a farmer's efforts are evaluated subjectively in 5 minutes, leading to loss of pricing and loss of incentive to grow quality food. Admixtures, adulterants, and lesser quality lead to loss of trade, averaging around 10% of trade value. Lack of predictive storage quality estimations lead to 20% of food getting wasted in our supply chains. Lack of instant quality at processing centers lead to average delays of up to 5 days and of 5% of yield loss. Most importantly, it leads to loss of trust of consumer. Today, businesses take financial decisions based on food assessments which are either done on field by people, by touching, smelling or biting, or in distant labs which lead to delays in decisions. We wanted to unleash technology which combines the power of science of labs and sense of people to provide disruption in food quality assessments which are instant, which are portable and which are accurate. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Specx technology for the food systems of the new world. Using data sciences, we have built the world's most futuristic platform for instant, portable and accurate food assessments to undertake right financial decisions. This ecosystem has been developed on deep learning sciences and deeper understanding of the business of food. For example, it is 100% portable, so we can take decisions on the field. It is made to deliver results in just 30 seconds. It gets commercialized at maximum of 2% play, much lower than the human errors on the field. And very importantly, it has zero consumables, so the costs are low and operations are truly field class. As a matter of excellence, we have developed technology to map every type of food that nature has to offer. We can do instant assessments of leaves like tea and tobacco, solids like wheat, rice, corn and barley, powders like spices, baby food and animal feed, and liquids like milk and oil. And that is just a start. Our chemical assessment technology has been trained using AI to analyze protein, gluten, starch, ash, moisture in various grains like wheat, corn, barley, mustard, etc. and key components like curcumin in turmeric or pepperin in pepper. We have further strengthened AI to analyze not only composition molecules like fat, SNF and protein, but also contaminants like palm oil, detergent and urea in milk. This technology is definitely very critical to ensure adulteration-free, safe food chains. Our physical assessment technology has been trained using AI to analyze at fraction of a human assessment time. We have strengthened our classification and segmentation algorithms to go deeper where no one has gone before, like analyzing different types of fine and coarse leaves coming out of a tea garden which define the quality of tea. We have similarly built portable technologies for on-field assessment for corn, barley, wheat, rice, etc. in all standard quality parameters judged by humans today on the field. We have built LoRaWAN and IoT-based food sensor networks which measure and predict when the food is losing its quality. This finds applications across storage like silos, cold stores and warehouses, and post-harvest like curing solutions of tobacco and tea. This journey of building this unique platform required collecting million+ samples understanding 1000 plus parameters, working on 100 plus algorithms, and building integrated devices which deliver on one single platform. And we call it the Qualix, which can be deployed for a particular commodity across the value chain, mapping all kinds of chemical and physical quality. And our business model is pretty simple and clear. We provide technology as a service to our clients who deploy our technology at various points in the food supply chain. Qualix for procurement, Qualix for warehousing, Qualix for trading, and Qualix for food processing companies. Our mission is steadfast and clear. We want to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable food systems. We believe introduction of this technology accelerates incentives at the intersection of grower and food businesses and accelerates trust between consumer and food businesses. And we believe further that trust will accelerate demand and incentives will accelerate supply, accelerating further the need for sustainable food systems in our future of food. And ladies and gentlemen, that is our future of food. We want to apply our technologies and make the world food a tad bit more sustainable. And for that, we have our eyes on our goal. In 5 years from now, 5% of the world food will move through Qualix system, which provides incentives to stakeholders and trust to consumers. And by achieving that, we will be assured that we have built quality food for the billions and a better world to pass on to our generation next. That's it about AgNext. Happy to partner with organizations who believe technology matters most when it is in the service of a compelling mission.